Hi guys, let's see how to install TPM Diagnostic tools in Windows 11 computer. Just right click on the start button and now click on settings. Now click on apps from the left menu and now click on optional features in the right. And now click on view features and now search TPM Diagnostics. And now select it, click on next, click on install. Now once you get the installed message, that means it has got installed. Now to use this feature, just open CMD as administrator, right click on the CMD search result and click on run as administrator and search TPM Diagnostics.exe, and once you run this command you will get all the detailed command which you can run along with this to get various TPM diagnostics info. That's it guys. Please do like the video to support it.